Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world. Yeah. Mortgage Dubai ain't got shit on me. Touch the sky, you ain't got
guys
shit
like the
on
stream,
me.
baby.
Cause I'm on top of the world. I'm on top of the world.
In my view, she fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. Hope I make it out of here. She saw my eyes, she know I'm home. I see some things that you like there. I'm gonna show I'll be back soon. That ain't what she wanna hear. Now I got it in my room. They dropped her on my bed. Got the fastest car soon. Oh, we make it out of here. When I'm with you, I feel alive. You say you love me, don't you lie? You got my heart on the ground. Keep the pistol on the side. Case it's you. She feel my mind on with ideas. I'm the highest in the room. In the room.
Holleration. Okay, bust the countdown. Fuck the countdown. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Happy Friday. My name is Geo, and every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. Now, there are a couple things that are undeniable about today. Number one, today's Friday. Number two, Geo has the best music on all of YouTube and crypto YouTube. To everybody that is here, welcome. To everybody that is returning, welcome back. Today, we're going to see if we can get into some new positions. We are in some positions right now, which we're going to talk about, okay? This is the current situation with the situation. Okay, this is the current sitch. So I'm long on Ethereum and I'm long on Solana. I just took 25%. I FOMO'd out, but we're up $5,000 on Solana, couple $100 on Ethereum. Okay. And I want to talk about it. And also we're up $1,000 on Cardonsky and another $400 on Ethereum. Okay. So I'm not long on Bitcoin. I do want to get into a Bitcoin position. I do want to say good morning to each and every one of you though. So good morning to all. We are looking for some trades here. We're going to go over the whole nines. Before we do that, while you guys are typing good morning to me in the comments, because we got to type good morning to Geo in the comments. While you're doing that, I'm going to read you a little disclaimer, because disclaimer, all content presented should not be taken seriously. Geo is an incompetent 5'2" and 3/4 wannabe singing non-financial advisor. Crypto is a scam. Making money online is impossible. Global warming is real and the earth is flat. Okay, so you don't want to be listening to what I'm doing. You definitely don't want to be copying what I'm doing, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, and I'm being very open about it. I have no idea how to trade, so don't listen to me. Good morning to everybody. All right, let's chat. Let's have a conversation about a conversation, shall we? Bitcoin right now is in a potential short zone. No, there is no confirmation for this short zone at the moment. We're going to talk about the longs and why we entered the long. And by the way, again, I'm not long on Bitcoin at the moment. However, we're long on Solana and in the Nexus. I did let everybody know that we're long on Solana. We knew what we were looking for. The level was given. I update in real time. I don't just give levels and leave forever. I indicated the divergences. Although divergences are gay, you know, we had the structure flip. I drew exactly what we wanted to see. I told everybody that I was scaling in. Okay. Gave the update. And then, you know, now we're in that position. So now we're kind of rejecting. We are in a rejection area. However, big however, is we need to be aware of where we are and how we got here. Okay, so yesterday we had a nice little bounce on I was about to say on YouTube. Nice little bounce on Bitcoin. Okay, we're just ranging, guys. Listen, I made a video about it. In my opinion, Max Payne is sideways. Honestly, it's not up, it's not down. Okay, the Bulls have had a free ride for 2 years straight. The Bears have had a free ride for 2 months straight. This is where people are the most emotional. Every time price goes up a little bit, they're like, oh my God, we're so back. Every time it goes down a little bit, they're like, oh my God, we're going to fucking zero. Okay? Max Payne is sideways. This is where people get chopped. This is where most people get absolutely destroyed. So for me, my range is very simple. I mean, this is your range low and this is your range high. And now you're approaching the range highs. You have all this that you didn't come for. So we should be looking for shorts here. I will let you know if I enter a short. I will let the Nexus know if I enter a short, rather. And I'm looking for one here because it makes sense to reject from here. But also, I do like a little bit higher. But let's talk about what happened, because what I'm about to say about Bitcoin is universal across the market. Okay? There's a couple things going on right now. And the way that I do my TA, especially as of late, you guys are about to learn, is that I use everything in tandem. Okay? The market moves together. You're not going to see Bitcoin go down, let's say 5%. And then all the alts are going to go up. That's not going to happen for the most part, okay? So what's the situation right now? Yesterday's lows are really fucking ugly, okay? By the way, this morning in the Nexus stream, we went over the entire plan already. So if you're in the Nexus, shouts out to the Nexus. Drop those tree emojis in the chat. We are going to be doing a Nexus giveaway, essentially, because we need some new interns. So we're going to be giving away some Nexus memberships because we need some interns. So make sure to hit the like button for that, and make sure you stay till the end of the stream, because we're going to be discussing all that. Here's the situation with the situation. First of all, let me just be very transparent with you all. I fucking suck at trading on Fridays, okay? So I will take a position if I see a position clear as day. However, I'm also aware that my performance is not that good on Fridays, at least when it comes to the charts. With other things, perhaps that's a different story. But here's the situation. We have really fucking ugly lows, okay? We have really ugly lows. We also know that we are just ranging. So when you're at the highs of the range, which you are, you should be looking for shorts. Now, my problem with shorting in general, and the Nexus knows this, I've been talking about this for like the whole week, okay? Is Ethereum is the problem. ETH is the problem right now with the idea of shorting, okay? Now, ETH is very weak. ETH BTC has been getting absolutely destroyed. There's no chill at all on ETH. And ETH is like a very, very weak piece of garbage, okay? So, the problem that I have with the shorts is that you have all of these equal highs. Like, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3. Like, this is such easy liquidity to take. And no, technically, we don't have to take it now. However, all week I've been saying, because people are conflicting. On Twitter, I ask, okay, is the dump over? Is it time to pump? And my polls are like 50-50, you know? For the most part, my polls are 50-50 right now, which is good. Because the charts are 50-50. But my problem is, like, we have all this liquidity, all this, like, it just looks garbage. Like, this is not a V-shaped recovery, and it's not a structure recovery either. It just looks like shit. So Ethereum, for example, looks like shit on the highs, and it looks like shit on the lows. And the rest of the market looks very bad on the lows also. Very poor lows, very ugly lows. Not really like a good V-shaped recovery that you want to be like, you know, look, why is it taking so long? Why are we hanging around here when you have these equal highs, when you have these 3 highs that you can come and tackle, right? So I bet you right now retail is probably just drawing a ray here. I don't even know where my ray tool is. I don't really use this, but they're probably doing this. Okay, so they're like, all right, well, you know, we're trying to break this line, whatever. Fine, doesn't matter, okay? Here's my plan. Because I'm not great at trading weekends, I'm not eager to jump into a position today. If I see something clear as day, I will absolutely take it undeniably. This is a short zone. However, I don't like the highs. My favorite play across the board, which is what I've been telling the Nexus all week long, is I don't want lower. I don't want lower until, or I don't like shorting. I don't like shorting. I'm not crazy about the idea of shorting until Ethereum takes these highs out, okay? Until ETH takes these highs, I'm not crazy about the idea of shorting. This is just a little bit too easy liquidity. Now, I'm not necessarily trading ETH like that. I am in an ETH long. Okay, I'm 20 ETH long right now. But I'm targeting these highs. I will feel a lot better about shorts once these highs go. So, keeping that in mind, now you need to play the game of probabilities because the lows are ugly across the whole market, but the highs are ugly kind of also across the entire market, including Bitcoin, but we are at the highs right now. So that's why we're not going to make predictions, and we're not going to say it's going to go up or it's going to go down. We're going to say that we're going to try to, or we're going to just react to it. So right now, what I'll tell you for an absolute fact is, let's just say we take the high out again, and then you close below here, I'm shorting it. Let's just say you don't do that, then I'm not going to short it. I'm going to hold my longs. I'm not long on Bitcoin, but I'm long on Solana, Ethereum, and ADA are the 3 that I'm long on. So if that happens, I'm going to hold my longs, and we'll, you know, play it for the next level. Now, Bitcoin has a very important level above. I've said this again all week in the Nexus. I haven't been shorting. We did short Sui yesterday as a scalp short. What's going on with my thing? Why is this so laggy? Hold on. So I don't love the idea of shorting here. It is a short zone, but why don't I love it? We also have this very, very ugly liquidity above. You know, and if you're new to the channel, again, welcome. If you're not new, then you know I love my liquidity, right? I love my liquidity. So, you know, I don't like shorting when there's easy liquidity, right? So we're watching it. You know, we're watching the market for what it is. Shouts out to Solana, which is moving. Like I said, I am long on Sol. I did perhaps take profit a little bit too early here. I did take profit this morning. I took 25% out. I was long 1,000 Sol. Now I'm only long 750 Sol. And it was this move here that got me. That got me to TP some right over here. So, you know, I should have perhaps stuck to the guns, but, you know, we've been in round trip city. Nobody ever went broke taking a profit, as they say. But this long, why? Okay, we're never going to switch. We're never, ever, ever going to switch ticker again because this is ridiculous. So we gave this long yesterday. Okay, 6 risks to reward, 9 risks to reward. Same idea, same long. Just depends on execution at that point. Although it's leaving ugly lows, like I said, I don't love the idea of shorting until these highs go on Ethereum. I see no reason why Bitcoin, even Bitcoin, I see no reason why it wouldn't sweep its ugly highs. Okay, I see no reason why it wouldn't come for the highs. So we'll see. We're getting a little bit deep into this order block now. I do suspect we do make our way up to 84, 85K. If we swing failure pattern here, aka if we displace traders, aka if we trap traders above the high, okay, if we trap traders above the high, then I will look to short it because of the ugly lows, but it depends on what happens. I'm not going to enter anything aggressively today. My performance is not the best on Fridays. So acknowledging that, you know, I'm going to play it safe and I'm going to be careful. I like the idea of us sweeping the highs on ETH, but we'll have to wait and see what happens. That is my update. Since yesterday, we've been long. We've been trying to long. We've been round tripped. I'm not crazy about the shorts. Like I said, we're also very extended, very, very extended to the downside. I don't care about the divergences. Divergences don't mean shit to me because the divergences half the time they work and the other half they don't. So who the fuck cares about the divergences? But we are very well overextended to the downside. And, you know, I do want to see some of these highs get taken. So we're long and strong right now in the Nexus. And we're kind of just chilling and hanging out. And, you know, we'll see what happens from there. So if I do get into a new position, you know, I will, you know, we'll take it together, perhaps on stream here, but that's the situation with the situation. So, okay. And that was it. That was a lot. That was a lot. Guys, we have 152 people in here and we have 34 likes. So I'm going to ask you a favor. If you enjoy the content, okay? I've been making my way slowly back to YouTube. This is like the 3rd or 4th stream of the year. I will be coming back to, I go to Miami in a couple weeks, and then I will come back to like streaming maybe 3 times a week on the public YouTube. Obviously, in the Nexus, we stream every morning. But I do ask that you, if you enjoy the content, only if you enjoy the content, only if I earned it, hit the like button for me because we got to get those algos moving again. We got to get them algos moving again. We got to get the algorithm moving again, lads. Let's see what Cardano's doing. I should become a market maker. I am a market maker, low key. No, I'm not actually, but guys, by the way, we are going to do some giveaways, like I said, for the Nexus interns, because we need some interns. But if you're new here, let me know how you got here, okay? If this is your very first stream, let me know in the comments. How did you get here? Did you get here because I was referred from another creator? Did you get here because you saw me on the algorithm? Let me know, because I want to know what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong. Oh, Jabs is calling. What's up, guy? We're live on YouTube. No, it's all good. What's poppin'? We're long right now. We're long on ADA, on ETH, and on Solana. Pop in the stream. Yeah, we're up 6 bands right now. More. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, shout out to Jazz. Jazz is gonna join us. Been watching me for the past 6 months. Crypto Face sent me. Shout out to Face. Sniper found me through Jay. Shouts out to Jay from the Algo. What's up, Evil Rabbit? How are you, my friend? Welcome. How has trading been for you guys? Has it been good? This has been mad chop. You know what? If you've been discouraged in the last, like, I want to say 2 weeks, but I even want to go as far as saying since Trump was in the White House. Ever since Trump's been in office, man, the market's been crazy. This guy with his tariff nonsense is like, yo, what are you doing, guy? Like, what is this guy doing? Found me through Nick Cypher. Shouts out to FG. Been smacked for 2 days. I'm sorry to hear, bro. What mouse do I use? I use this MX Anywhere 3S. So this is what I use. MX Anywhere 3S. By the way, I cannot recommend this mouse enough time. This is the greatest mouse. This mouse here is the best mouse for me. I don't have huge hands. People, when I needed a mouse, people were recommending this big boy. This guy here is too big for me. I don't like it. I have small hands, so you know, this was the play. This was absolutely the play. The 3S, really nice. Really nice mouse. Found me on Bumble. That's so funny. Dude, I haven't had Bumble for years, bro. That's actually mad funny. That's mad funny. Trading's been okay. Small profits, having a hard time with entries because of work. Yeah, man, it's hard. It's hard, bro. It's hard. I think it's been round trip city, you know? For me, it hasn't really been the entries. It's just been like, okay, you can't, like, if you don't get out of the move within 30 minutes, for the most part, like I said, it's been round trip city, so it's been kind of annoying. Even like Crypto Face posted yesterday on X, I saw it. He's like, man, I made 400K, you know, in 4 trades, but if I just tried to hold for the big one, I would have been like cooked, you know? So, yeah. Once this breaks, the target becomes the low. Yeah. I mean, see, the thing is they don't have to run the liquidity right now, but I would imagine we would come for PDL. Yeah. Like if we, so, okay, look, so right now we just took the high again, right? Now, this is not the best structure. I would like more time up here. But let's just say you do lose this low. Especially if you get a back test. Like if you get something like this. Or this. Then I would imagine you would at least come for these lows. You don't necessarily need to run the whole thing. But in a perfect world, we do come for PDL. What I prefer right now, I don't want to do that. I want to keep pumping. I prefer we SFP the high. My favorite play right now across the board is this. This is my favorite play across the board. Is we come up, we SFP. You know what? No, I totally lied. I think this is my favorite play. Bitcoin comes up to like 90 or sorry, 86-ish. Damn, that was a big move. My favorite play is Bitcoin comes up to like 86. Is this. Long story short, my favorite play is this. Maybe that. That would be my favorite play. We'll see. We'll see. It's not up to what Geo wants. Definitely not up to what Geo wants. So we are looking for shorts here. This is not a trigger for me yet. I'm not entering yet. Not entering yet. Entering yet. Everyday news driven moves. Yeah, man, it's been rough with the tariffs. And I'll tell you the thing, bro, is it's not even about, for me, it's not even about the tariffs. That's the problem. Like, tariffs are a problem, right? For everybody. But the problem for me is more so the uncertainty of it. Like, it's just the, like, bro, like, rip the band-aid off already. Like, are you gonna put tariffs? Or are you not gonna be putting the like, you know what I mean? Like, stop playing games. Are you gonna do it or not? And if you're gonna do it, then stick to it. Like, stick to your word. That's what, in my opinion, what's fucking shit up, you know? What's up, Jabs? 8 out of 50 bucks. Yeah, we can see you. We can see you, bro. I can see you. I can see you. So this does not warrant a short entry for me yet. It's a little bit too soon, but we are looking for shorts here. I still prefer that we go higher. I prefer we take yesterday's highs, man. Same with Ethereum. Damn, ETH just got absolutely... Wow. That's crazy. That is so crazy. What did Solana do? See, Sol wasn't really that affected by it. Sol is stronger than a lot of the alts, which is why... Not a lot of the alts, but Sol is one of the stronger ones. So that's why we longed Sol. I do want to check ADA. ADA's doing all right also. ADA's looking pretty good, man. We're long on ADA as well. ADA's looking not bad. ETH is garbage lately. ETH really sucks. And we got to watch USDT dominance. We probably... Yeah, so USDT dominance is trying to hold here. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Oh, is there data today? Is that why? Can I give another summary of where I want to short and maybe close my Sol and ADA? Well, see, the thing is there's no confirmation yet. There's more news. There's more data. And I like the idea of longing more than I like the idea of shorting. Now, that doesn't mean long right now. I'm long from yesterday. That does not mean long right now. I would never, if you put a gun to my head, I would not long right now. Okay? So, that being said, I want to short, but no, I don't want to short. If we short, I'd rather take the highs out. I don't like the way that price action has been developing. I don't like this, you know, whatever. We have a very, like, this wick on Bitcoin that just happened could have literally just done this. And, like, with ease. Like, if you think right now Bitcoin can't drop 4% in like 5 minutes, yes, it can. Because of this. It's so easy to do that. But I don't like the idea of shorting before we take some highs, man. Like this 3 highs is so ugly, man. I just don't. Why would we not take that high, you know? Now, if we see the confirmation, we're going to take it, but there's no confirmation yet. As for closing Solana, I mean, when I had my original idea from yesterday, which is, you know, the position that I'm in right now, this guy here on the bottom, which, by the way, was given not only in advance to the Nexus, but I don't just give the levels, man. I update in real time. You know, I let everybody know every single time. You know, if you enter here, your stop loss is not safe below the low. I'm scaling in, you know, waiting. You know, I'm in there the whole time with you guys. Everybody knows everything I'm doing all the time. I don't just give the levels and fuck off and then, you know, I don't do that. I'm with the Nexus every step of the way. So if you're interested in joining the Nexus, the link for that is in the description down below. However, I like the idea of taking the highs, man. For Solana, technically, yeah, you would need to TP here. If we get a nice SFP here, which I'm watching, then I will de-risk more. I've already taken 1,000 out. Okay, but I'm targeting really these equal highs. Like, I think that we could make our way up to 131. Had I not had taken the 25% out, if we made it to 131, then that would be a 10K trade, which is not bad, obviously. But look, I'm looking for higher on the market. I'm looking for every reason to go higher, and I'll explain why using Bitcoin on the 2-hour time frame. I did explain this in a video, so if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe with the notification bell. But it's very simple. I believe that Max Pain is sideways, okay? I believe Max Pain is sideways. And I was saying that we're very likely going to range. And what are the rules of a range? When you sweep the low, which we did here, you have an SFP of the low. and you confirm that SFP, which using structure, which we did, then you're very likely going to rotate to the other side. Why can we come to the other side? Very simple. You have all that liquidity that we haven't taken for like 2 months. So, you know, if we end up coming for these highs, which I think is a possibility, and not only a possibility, I think it's probable that we will make our way up to 95K. I do think we're going to get there. It's because of this, right? Because you deviated the low, you confirmed it with structure, and you have liquidity. So eyes on the prize. I'm thinking the market is going to go up. I'm thinking the whole market's going to go up. Now, I will feel a lot better once we start closing above 84K. And now, because we keep putting in these wicks, I would need to see a strong close, perhaps a 4-hour close above 84,550. So my favorite play, which is what I was saying earlier today, would be to come up to this box here, which is in between 87 and 89, we'll say. My favorite play, sweep all these ugly highs, 87 to 89, come back for the pullback. Maybe you come back down to like 78, 79, get a nice, like, I don't know, 15-minute flip here. And then this is, if this happens, if this exact thing on the screen that you're seeing happens, and it takes some time, like we close 4-hour candles up here, then this is like, with my eyes closed, I will swing long this. This is literally my eyes closed. I'm longing it, and I'm doing one take profit at 95K. This is the easiest long of your life if this happens. If it doesn't happen, it's not the easiest long of your life. And again, keep in mind, for the record, let me just say this. Keep in mind that number one, disclaimer, Geo is an incompetent 5'2" 3/4" wannabe singing non-financial advisor. So don't screenshot this, marry the idea of it. Don't do that. Okay, don't do that. But, and also keep in mind that things are subject to change. So just because I draw this today, maybe I don't like the way that it looks when it happens tomorrow. Right? So we need to be watching it. But if this exact thing happens and it looks good, especially if it happens like this, if it happens exactly like this, let me show you. If it does this, like comes up and then comes down nice and slowly, nice and easy, and then does that, oh my goodness, this is the easiest long of my life. So we'll have to wait and see. We shall wait and we shall see. That's the situation with the situation at the moment, though. Nexus intern, what does that mean? Okay, Nexus interns are basically, okay, so my Nexus, my VIP Discord, my whole network rather that I've been building for the past year is called the Nexus, okay? In the Nexus, you get access to my levels, access to my real-time updates. Like I said, I do not just post levels and then leave for 2 weeks and then say, oh, I posted this level 2 weeks ago. I don't do that. I'm in here with you guys. We're trading together. I tell you exactly what I'm looking for. I update my real-time channel like 15 times a day. Look at yesterday. Look, 12:48. Look, 11:41 a.m., 11 a.m., 11 a.m., 11:06 a.m., 9 p.m. So let's count how many alerts just yesterday I gave. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're not going to count that one. 12, 13. And then I even, actually 14. And this one I was like, yo, I'm done for the rest of the day. Otherwise, I probably would have updated more. 14 updates yesterday alone. So the Nexus, and so you get the Discord, you get all the alerts. Now, I don't bombard you with alerts. If you want the real-time alerts, you can come and subscribe to them by coming to the reaction rules and clicking that you want the real-time alerts. So I post a lot. Like I said, I keep you updated throughout the entire day. No, I don't like it. Yes, I like it. No, I don't like it. Yes, I like it. You know? And so you get access to all that, and then you get access to the trading course. You get access everything that I teach, everything that I do. I'm teaching you it right now. You'll learn it in the course, and then you get to see how I apply it every day in real time during our morning Nexus live streams. and you get access to everybody else. It's not a community, it's a network, and it's the best network. I promise you that. I promise. These guys know what they're doing, and I'm teaching the Nexus to trade like me so that the Nexus has eyes on everything. And the interns are, you get access to the network for 2 weeks. So it's like you're interning. Like it's like an internship. You get to come in for free. You get to see how we do. You know? How much leverage did I use on Sol? I used 100x leverage on Sol. But yeah, that's what interns mean. Raven, what's up, my brother? Shouts out to Raven. We brought him in because he's taken the course and he's been killing the TA, so we brought him in. You got here through Market Cypher tutorials. Let's see how Market Cypher is looking right now. I'm not really interested in shorting yet. It just looks a little too ugly for me to take a trade right now. Bitcoin has been following US markets as of late. Yeah. So, like, look at how they're trying. Look at Market Cypher. Dude, look at these divergences. Damn. This is the weirdest Market Cypher I think I've ever seen. I wouldn't be surprised if we get some form of a pullback here. That looks so weird. I don't think I've ever seen that before. Holy smokes, that looks so weird. I definitely don't like the way that looks for like the people that are long. If I saw that, I would de-risk. I would de-risk. That doesn't mean take profit. That doesn't mean close the trade. It means de-risk, which could mean take profit if you wanted to. It could mean close the trade if you'd like to. But de-risking is also putting your stop loss at break even. De-risking is what it sounds. You're not supposed to... If you're long from anywhere right now on Bitcoin, which if you're long from the top, you shouldn't ever do that. But if you're long from anywhere else, in my opinion, in my non-financial advice opinion, stop losses go to break even right now. Wherever you're long from. Here, stop loss break even. Here, stop loss break even. That's what I would do. Okay. We have poor lows. Yeah, we do have poor lows. We do. All right. Soul C says, I've joined a lot of Discords and I've paid for a lot of courses. Geo's Nexus courses and groups are definitely worth it. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. By the way, guys, Geo is married to Ada. Yeah, I'm trying to catch this Ada move because we caught the Ada move. So the Nexus caught this move. The 75% in one day. This move, the Nexus caught this move. We were in on this. We were in on this. Okay? We were absolutely in on it. When did this day happen? March 1st. March 1st. Let's come to March 1st. We've been talking about Ada. Where is my Ada? I'm going to show you that we've been talking about Ada. I need to find it, though. Okay. So we've been talking about Ada since February 20th, and I never talked about Ada before. Oh, here. I just saw it also. Right here. Ada. Where did it go? Ada. Look. Boom. Straight up. Straight shot up. We've been talking about Ada. The Nexus was in on Ada, and I got shaken out of my Ada position, and I let them know. Look. I made like 12K off of it, but I was supposed to make 80K off of it, or I would have made 80K. Anyways, I got shaken out of my position. Out of my full position, but I'm not going to keep looking. It takes too long. But they know what's up. The Nexus knows what's up. I don't need to explain it. They know. Get this mic out of my face. Be better like that. All right. If you buy the Nexus, you can be the best man of my... Yeah, exactly. You could be my best man. Davi says, soul entry was insane. We caught the bottom. Yes, sir, Ski. Yes, sir, we did. Yes, sir, we did. What time do I stream in the morning? I stream around 8 a.m. It's never a set exact time, but I stream around 8 a.m. EST. I'm in Toronto, so 8 a.m. EST is when I stream in the Nexus every morning. On the YouTube, I don't stream anymore as frequently as I did. I used to stream every day on the YouTube, but I don't do that anymore. But I do stream every day in the Nexus, obviously. Okay, so Biddy's rolling over. ETH is surprisingly doing well, like relative to Bitcoin, which is so weird. Like Biddy's rolling over, which is not that weird, considering how Market Cipher looks. That looks like shit. And ETH is holding its own. That's weird. That's weird. So weird. Solana, what is Sol doing? Are we okay on Sol? Yeah, we're doing good on Sol, man. Sol's holding, so it's just Bitcoin that's falling right now. Interesting. Very interesting. Good thing I'm not long on Bitcoin then. Unless this is not updated. Is this frozen? Okay, no, that's good. Okay. Respect to you, bro. Love a hardworking man. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
What you need initially.
Yeah. It's just one call away. And you leave him, you're loyal to me. So I am interested in a Sui short. Actually, this should be like the no. I want a little bit higher. I want a little bit higher. I will short Sui if I see what I like. He's the one. It's very possible that we just leave the liquidity and come for it later. Very possible to do that. I would de-risk. If I was in Bitcoin, I would de-risk it. That you keep. Yeah, the entry on Sol. The entry on Sol was sick, huh? Man, that's how we do, baby. Look at Solana. And you know what? You know where I entered from? I actually entered from here, right? Exactly where this was. And my stop originally was there. So that's a 16 risk reward trade that we hit yesterday. Now, if you're going to be safe with it, you're going to give it some more room. So 6, but you know, I also told the Nexus that the stop below the low is not safe, which it wasn't. We didn't know. Like, obviously, it didn't come for that, but it wouldn't have been safe. But still, like, if you did take it that way, which you technically could have, you know, 20 risk to reward potentially. If we make our way up to the high, which we're making our way, like, Solana's holding. It's doing not a bad job right now. Now, again, I am a little bit concerned with this. Like, if I would never long Sol here, even if I knew... Even if there was a 90% chance that we were going to come up and touch this line, I would not long here. Even if it was a 90% chance, I wouldn't long. Yeah, let's check USDT. So we got to, if you lose this, so this is a very important level on USDT dominance. Very important right now. I will say this, that I don't like the structure. Not really great looking structure, but it is something to be a little bit cautious of. So we'll see what happens. I'm not pulling the trigger on anything yet. Sui was fire. Yeah, man. Sui was fire. Sui was an easy entry also. Sui was a very easy entry, but I entered on Solana So I didn't go in on Sui. But Sui was very easy. Sui was real easy also. What's my win rate? When I'm following the rules and I'm being good. Yeah, I don't really have a definitive answer because I'm very like, when I'm scalping, I know what I'm looking for, and sometimes I de-risk until I see something better. So I don't know. I would say like maybe 70, 75, maybe 70. Let's say 70. When I'm being good. When I'm being stupid, when I'm trying to front run shit using divergences and I'm not following and I'm not practicing what I preach, then it's obviously less than that. But I would say about 70 when I'm being good. Like if I'm being extra cautious and I'm patient and I'm in a good headspace, I would say 70. But I also count like if you get out too early, I count that as a loss, right? Like if you have a plan and you don't stick to the plan, that's a loss, right? Like this was my plan yesterday. So the way that I calculate it is, did you like, okay, you're saying, you know, what's your win rate? Yeah, Solana's a win, right? But if I close it right now with no reason, like if I don't have a reason to short, I shouldn't close the long, right? So if I don't hit my target, that's a loss. That's not a win. Maybe, and it's not always going to hit your target. Like you need to be able to adapt. So right now, for example, let's just say Solana does this. Let's say Solana does this, right? If Sol does that, okay, then you close it and then you call it a win. But if you're closing too early because you're scared, you're either like, you're not confident with your TA, and that's a loss. That's not a win to me. Even though I'm up, that's not a win. You know, that's how I think anyway. It's like, did it follow the plan? Did you hit it or not? It's like, okay, for example, I'm on meal plan, right? Hold on. I'm on meal plan. Thank you for asking. And when I see my mother, and my mother is like, do you want fruits? And I'm like, no, I can't. She's like, why not? It's healthy. And I'm like, yeah, I know it's healthy, but it's not on plan. So you're cheating on the plan or you're not. You know what I mean? Like your analysis, it either did what you thought it was or it didn't. Now, it's not always going to hit the target, but if you have no reason to get out, then don't get out and let the trade play out. So for me, I don't think what's your win rate is like a valid question. People ask the wrong things. It's not about win rate. Did it follow your plan or no? I'm targeting up to 131. If Solana does not go to 131, then this is a losing trade, even though it's a winner. To me, I'm very I'm very disciplined. I'm very strict. Am I on plan or not? It doesn't matter if it's healthy. Am I on plan or not? That's the question, right? It's the same thing as when people ask, where's your entry? Entry doesn't matter. If you know how to trade, you know that entry doesn't matter. Because, okay, what's your entry? You could have entered here. Maybe you have a better entry than I do, but your stop loss was way down here. Okay, and maybe, so you're up, you know, 4-3 risk to reward. I'm up like 6 risk to reward, you know? Entry is not the question. All right, guys, do me a solid hit. Oh, man. Hit the like button for me. I'm going to, how many people we got? We got 171 people in here. We have 86 likes. Let's see if we can get the likes up to 150. So we need half of you to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. Let's do some, let's find some interns, man. We got to find some interns. We got to find some interns. We got to find some interns. Can I talk about the Sol entry? Yeah, we'll talk about Solana. Let's talk about Sol. Let's talk about sex, baby. Let's talk about... First of all, I want to uncover why the hell Bitcoin Why the hell Bitcoin is dumping and everything else is pumping? And I'm not complaining about it because we are, like I said, we are long on Solana here. Nice and chill. Soul and chill. I am going to TP up at 131. Had I not had taken 25% out, see, this is what I was talking about. I deviated from my plan. They shook me out 25% of my trade. That's a loser. That's not a winner. You're a loser for that. You're a loser. If you get shaken out, you're a loser. That means that you're not confident with your TA unless you have reason to get out. I got out prematurely. That was not reason for me to get out. That's being emotional. That's being inconsistent. You're a loser. This trade, I'm not going to count it as a loser. I'm up 6K, 7K. That's not a loser. But the analysis part of it, that was not my target. Why did I get out 25%? That's a loser. Okay. So here's what we're going to do, okay? If you've been around on the channel, I used to do giveaways every single stream. Our giveaways now are converted to the internships. So I need 2 people that are going to join the Nexus today for free. 2 of you. Okay? And here's how we're going to do it. We're going to engagement farm you guys because I need to grow. I've been not on YouTube as consistent as I used to be, and we're back, as I said. And what the fuck? And so we gotta grow, man. I gotta show the people. We gotta tip the scale. You know, right now, all of the big creators like Crypto and whatever, those people get the masses absolutely destroyed. And so we got to teach them what's up. We got to teach the people what's up because people don't know how to trade. And they're ruining a lot of people. Crypto and Carl from the Moon are ruining a lot of lives. So we got to do better than that. We got to be better. So we got to spread word. We got to spread awareness. Okay. I know you guys all want to join, but I can only take 2. So what I'm going to do is come up with a way now to make it so that everybody can join. Not everybody, but 2 of you can join. And we'll go from there. You know, we'll go from there. I'll figure it out right now. By the way, if you're long on Bitcoin, I'm not saying it's going to go here, but don't be surprised if it does. See, this is a good example as to when I would de-risk and I would count it as a win. You know? Okay. Let's start on Twitter. Live on YouTube right now. About to do the Nexus internship giveaway. So one of them is going to be on YouTube. One of them is going to be on X. I never really knew that she could dance like this. She makes a man wanna speak Spanish. Como se llama, señorita? Y casa Shakira, Shakira. Oh, baby, when you talk like that, you make a woman go mad. So be wise and keep on reading the signs of my body. I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel you, boy. Detection, detection, don't you see, baby, this is perfection. You know I'm on tonight, you know my hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel you, boy. All right. So the first intern, go to this link and repost it. Okay, go there, repost. That's how we're going to find the first person. And the second person is going to be on YouTube. Okay, let me just let my people know. Let my people go. Good morning everyone. We are looking for 2 new Nexus interns. Head over to stream and repost, boom, to enter. Hopefully we see you in there. Hashtag whoops. Nexus. I never really knew that she could dance like that. She makes a man wanna speak Spanish. Como le llaman, señorita. Are my mods taking care of this already? Oh, the mods are doing other things. Okay. Cool. So the more engagement we get, the more people we get in here, the more likes and whatever we get there, the more I'll do it. Like, I can rotate these interns an infinite amount of times. You know, I can keep the rotation going, but I need the engagement for it, right? I need the engagement for it. You know, if I do one a day, maybe one every stream or something. I don't know. Who doesn't matter, right? We'll see how it goes. I'm not married to anything. All right, beautiful. Okay, cool. Cool, we like it. All right, I can't even refresh my feed on Twitter because, man, that shit is crazy. All right, so that's gonna be the first one. Yeah, let's get engaged. 100x on soul. Yeah, bro. I mean, look, like we had the plan yesterday. We had the plan perfectly yesterday, right? You know, it was drawn out, it was given, and look here. You know, when I gave it, like I said, I have my real-time channel, which I update. I do not leave you guys in the dark. I even posted this, you know, Sol and Sui finally hit our zone. We're waiting for market structure flips here. I teach you what market structure flips are. I teach you structure. I teach you ranges. It's all in the Nexus course. And then you have the divs included as well. That was your exact low. So why do I need to use anything less than 100x? Using less than 100x leverage is so risky. If you use 20x leverage, that's so risky. Why do you need an invalidation that's way down here? Sounds like you don't know, not you, but people that use 20x leverage, sounds like you don't know what you're doing. Sounds to me like you need to have that much of a buffer. Like 20x leverage means you can go 5% in drawdown. What in the world are you doing entering a position here and putting your stop loss 5% away? What are you doing? Exactly. People need to think percentage. That's exactly it. So Solana's coming up to the TP and we are going to be concluding the thing. And I will go over how I got into this trade. Me versus Carl. Yeah. If I box literally anybody, it's probably going to be Alex or Crypto, but it's out of love. Alex lives right next to me. He lives half an hour away from me. So, yeah, if I box anybody, hold on, let me make it full screen so we can clip this for later. If I box anybody, I would like it to be Alex or Crypto because out of love, we got no hate towards Alex, no animosity towards Alex. It's all love, but I think it would be fun. You know, a fun. If we do boxing, I'm not going to box Carl from the moon. I mean, I'll box his ass too. But, man, Alex or Crypto, let's do it, bro. we should do it. I think it'd be fun. All right. Okay. Should we do... I'm going to leave it up to you guys because a lot of people don't have Twitter. Should we do the second intern on Twitter or should we do the second intern on YouTube? You guys let me know. Give me... Okay. Put a 1. No, just write Twitter or YouTube. Just write Twitter or YouTube and we'll do it. In the meantime, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is kind of chilling. I got to take a look at Bitcoin dominance because this thing's got to be dropping 100%. YouTube, Twitter, higher chance to win. Second on YouTube. Box Bit Boy. Bro, that guy's a crackhead, dude. I don't want him to like try to like, I don't know, fucking shank me or something. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to do full analysis on we're gonna have to do some serious analysis on Bitcoin dominance later. This is looking like it's gonna continue to drop. In fact, it is looking like it's gonna drop. That's good for the altcoins, man. That's good for my Solana long. Look at that beautiful Solana long. All right, both lube, YouTube. All right, let's do the first one first, and then we'll decide on the second one. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Let me open up a new window. All right, beautiful, beauty. Nice, 33 retweets. Not bad, guys. Not bad. All right, so we're gonna go to random X repost picker, the X picker. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do it on retweets, right? Last chance to retweet, guys. Last chance. And where's my link? Oh, copy link. Okay, bring it there. Wait, Tori trades, dude. I'm gonna get in contact with her soon. We're gonna get in contact with her soon. Okay, the Solana long that I entered down here is about to this was a taken trade, so we turn it green. Is about to hit the target. We're about to hit her. We're gonna have to watch for a reaction here. Let's keep our alert here. Let's take a look at what Biddy's doing. Biddy's chilling. ETH is pumping. ADA should be pumping. ADA's pumping too. ADA, we're targeting higher. We might have a short on ADA, but we'll see. We'll watch it. We shall watch it. Let's put some alerts. We might have to make some TPs, but Solana is clear as day, baby. Sol is clear as day. Send her, baby. Send her. All right. Let's do this giveaway. X picker, tweet URL, pick a winner, and searching for a winner. Okay, we're hitting it. We're about to hit the TP. Honestly, I kind of don't want to TP it. I kind of don't want to. I should, though. This is the target. So here's what we'll do. We'll take out 160 soul. Did I take out 160 soul? 60 soul. Okay, let's start by taking 60 soul out, and then we'll see what happens. Then I'll make adjustments. We'll take 60 out right at this first high. We'll go 131.13. 131.13, and we'll take out 60.5. Should we do 60.5? How many soul? I shouldn't have taken 250 out. I'm an idiot. Okay, we'll take out 60.5, and then we'll see. Okay, then we'll see. Okay, who won? Let's see. All right, DSV David Vitrano. Brother, you are the winner of the first Nexus intern. Actually, let's see. Okay. Also, you have to be following me. So that's good. Okay. I'm gonna DM you. Oh, I can't have my conversations up there. All right. Soul's about to hit the TP. Come on, Solana. Come on, Solana. Come on, Solana. Come to Papa Bear. Bring her home, baby. Bring her home. Oh! There she fucking goes, baby. You know what we gotta do right now? We gotta get some fucking copyright strikes is what we gotta do. While I take care of my boy here. We gotta get some copyright strikes right now. Bro, I'm gonna DM you right now. And then we're gonna do the second giveaway. Someday, bills to pay. Waking up, else's place. Drink too much, this much. Yes, sir! Yes, sir! I just got paid. Okay. Take my check to the bank, baby. You won, my boy. You won, my boy. So I just DM'd you a word, okay? I just DM'd you a word. I need you to open up a ticket in the Discord. Open up a ticket. Come in the Discord if you're not in the Discord. Open up a ticket. Send us that word. And Dak Attack, shouts out to Dak, will take care of it for us, okay? Let's hide the screen real quick. To pay, waking up, else's place, too much, this month, yeah. That's how you get a fucking, that's how you get paid. That's how you motherfucking get paid. Zach, if you're in here, I'm sending you the word now. I just got paid. We already TP'd, baby. We already TP'd on Solana. Oh. Oh well, whatever. I should throw up someday. All right. Okay, let's do the second one. Let's run it back, baby. Let's run it back. Second one, second one, second one. I just got paid. No. All right, let's do YouTube. We're gonna do YouTube for the second one. Let's do YouTube for the second one. Should we TP more out? Technically, we should TP more out. We technically should. The target has been neutralized. The target has been neutralized. We technically should take more. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing first. I drink too much this place. Can't drink my breath this month on no one else's place. I drink my drink too much. I know my drink too much. Okay. We should TP here. We should. But what if it goes to 1 billion? That's the thing. What if it goes to 1 billion, bro? Man, it looks good. The whole market is looking good. I'm not gonna lie. Honestly, the whole market looks good. Looks good for some relief. If we do get some breakouts here, man, I would be looking for $180 ETH, or sorry, $180 Solana. I would, you know what? I'm gonna hold it, man. I'm gonna TP at 180. No, I'm gonna TP at 152. Then I'm gonna TP at 180. Then I'm gonna TP at 244. I know it's crazy, but it's not that fucking crazy. It's not that crazy. By the way, I did buy some spot Cardano. I did. True story. Okay, let's do the second one. Let's do the second giveaway. Let's do it on YouTube, man. Let's do it on YouTube. I drink my rent this month. I drink my rent this month. I'm gonna try to like have it be a swing trade, you know? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. Yesterday I posted a short. Okay, I posted a YouTube short. Here's the YouTube short about why I knew Bitcoin would fall. Where everybody gets aggressively emotional. I think right now sentiment is a little bit spooked. I've talked about. Okay, here is the whoa. Here's the video, okay? Everybody go to that video. Make sure you like it. And leave a tree emoji comment, okay? We got to see some tree emojis over there. Go hit the tree emoji. And I will pick a random winner in like 5 minutes. But go like that video, go like that reel, go leave a tree emoji. And that will be our second Nexus intern. All right, I'm going to go use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back while you guys go to do that. I shall BRB. Okay. Did we all do it? How many people have done it? I should grow up someday, 'cause I got bills to pay. How many of us have done it? Where's my thing at? Ah, okay. All right. We got some tree emojis. All right. Okay. It's got to have a tree emoji. Gotta have a tree emoji. All right. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Yeah. Did I wash my hands? No, I actually didn't. All right, let's do the giveaway, and then let's talk about how I entered the Solana long, how we got in, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I should take more out. Honestly, I should. The target was hit, so we're gonna be good. We'll take. How much should we take out? We should honestly close the whole thing. Like, if we're being real, you know what? All right. I do agree that big money is I listen, I don't know if we're at the low. Okay, so let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. Let's get off the treadmill. Let's get serious here for a second, because I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa. I used to think maybe you loved me. Now, baby, I'm yours. Well, that's a good song. I used to think maybe you loved me. Now, baby, I'm yours. Well, I can't think the time that you knock on my door. I'm walking on sunshine. Whoa. And don't it feel good? Yeah. Oh yeah, don't it feel good? All right. Okay, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway first. So we said it was this, right? How many things do we have now? Comments. Comments 59. Okay. For the ones that are just joining us right now, if you are just joining us right now, make sure that you go over here real quick. You have like 2 seconds in the world to do this. Okay, we're gonna go YouTube comment picker. Until I do it, I'm not even gonna slow down. Here is the link. We're going to filter duplicate. We are going to, I think that's it. Show random names. Solve the sum. Let's refresh. Make sure that it's fair. Oh, whoops. Didn't mean to like my own thing. All right, 63 comments. Random picker. Wait, where did my music go? I'm walking on. Oh, a better song, bro. This mix sucks. Number 3 is the better one. All right. Winner is Brethren, DT Protoss. Brethren, where's the tree emoji? Brethren, where's my tree emoji? Okay, here's what we're gonna do. If our friend Okay, let me move the comments. I gotta see what you guys are saying. Tequila! Okay, brethren. Oh, did he win last time? Oh, man. Okay. If there's another comment here. If there's 2 comments, here's what we're going to do. Because he needed to do the tree emoji. If he did another one that has the tree, then he wins. If he doesn't, then he doesn't win. And I don't see it. Oh, man. Oh, man, that sucks. Listen, him winning the crypto faces thing, like, respectfully, is irrelevant to me. I don't, that's not nothing to do with me. That's not my business. No emojis available. Bro, are you in here, DT Protoss? No, you know what, bro? Dad. Can I call you Dad? You know what, Dad? My what's it called? Oh, you're just saying he's lucky. Yeah. My trading was and probably still will be to fund my singing. Like, singing has always been what I love. All right, he's not in here, so we're gonna roll it again. Man, rules are rules. You gotta put a tree emoji. You know what's funny is after one of the streams where CryptoFace did 5K giveaway, I called him after. We were on the phone, and I'm like, dude, your people. I'm like, they gotta be trolling. Like, I'm like, they don't follow instructions, dude. He's like, okay, go to this tweet and write this all lower caps exactly like this. And they're writing it in the chat, he's like, go do it on Twitter. They're writing it on his YouTube. They're running it on this. They're running it on that. And I'm like, bro, they're commenting it on the YouTube. I'm like, bro, I called him. I'm like, yo, your people. He's like, dude, I don't know if this is like a troll or what. I'm like, do you guys not want $5,000? Like, what are you doing, dude? I was in the YouTube chat and I was like, because I'm a moderator, so they see me with the wrench. And I was like, yo, I'm going to start banning anybody that writes it here. Like, you're all fucking banned. You're all banned. I'm like, what are you guys doing? Like, you don't want to make 5K? Bro, the instructions are so simple. Listen, DT, whatever. Bro, I'm sorry, man. You didn't put a tree emoji. You got to put a tree emoji. You got to put a tree emoji. All right, we're going to run it back. We're going to run it back. Let's go. The tree emojis go on the comment on this video, okay? You have literally 10 seconds to do it. You got 10 seconds to do it. Because this is where everybody gets and like it. Emotional thing right now. Sentiment is a little bit spooked. I've talked about very extensively how everybody's bullish all the time. And now, for the first time, I'm starting to see people be less bullish all the time. All right. Let's do it. Then we're going to talk about the Solana trade, and then I'm going to go. Shouts out to Kenny. Kenny's a fucking G. If you don't know, now you know. Kenny's a G. All right. Let's refresh so it's fair. Wow, 129? Damn. It has to have a tree emoji. How do I refresh this? There we go. All right, 77 unique comments. Boom. All right, Colutz. Colutz, you are the second Nexus intern. Congratulations, my friend. Here's what I need you to do. I need you to... Oh, man. Okay, I need you to go to your YouTube. Okay, go to your YouTube. Congrats, bro. Go to your YouTube. Here. Click on your thing here and screenshot this. Open up a ticket in the Discord. Send us a screenshot of that. Okay? Go do that. Or do you have Twitter? Cola, do you have Twitter? You got Twitter, brethren? Is it maybe the same thing? Are you Maria? Is this you? Maria Fatima Lesoy? Is that you? Is that actually you? Oh, it's Kulot. Kulot. Okay, do the YouTube. Do the YouTube thing. Do the YouTube thing. All right, let's talk about this Solana long, and then we're gonna go. Okay, then we're gonna go. Let's talk about the Solana long. All right. I should grow up someday, cause I got bills to pay. And guys, if you didn't win, it's okay. I will continue to do internships. Okay, we will keep doing interns. I don't know how often. I kind of like doing these giveaways like this. So perhaps we'll do more interns more often. Maybe we'll get like 10 a month or something, and I can do giveaways twice a week. We'll see. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Cardano long is doing pretty well. Okay, Cardano long, we're up 2K. ETH is, I don't know why I'm longing ETH. ETH fucking sucks. Solana long, we're up, or ADA long, we're up 2K. Solana, we're up nice. You know, it's been a good day. It's been a good day. All right, let's talk about how do I restore chat? There we go. Let's talk about what's the TP for ADA? Yeah, I still use Market Cipher. I do. I'm working on new rules with Market Cipher though. I don't like use it to tell me what to do anymore. I tell Market Cipher what to do. What is my TP on Cardano? I mean, minimum this high. Minimum this high. There's a potential short here. But I like coming up. Honestly, man, like a lot of the market, the whole market looks the same. We have a lot of liquidity to the upside. My true target, like I wouldn't be surprised if Cardano makes its way to 102. I think I'm going to hold Cardano. I'm just going to hold it. Cardano is my pick right now, by the way. It's my top altcoin, for the record. Easily my top coin. I'm going to hold it as long as I can. I'm not going to scalp it. I'm just going to hold long and hold it. Okay. Enough blabber. Let's talk about Solana, okay? Let's go over the Solana long. How did we get this trade? How did we just hit this TP? You know, currently we're up. I took out half of the trade. I was originally in 1,000. So half is out, and you know, not bad. Not a bad day, okay? How do we get into this trade? Let's talk about it. First things first. Oh, actually, first things first. I'm going to record this. I'm going to upload this on YouTube later. Okay. Let's start this over because now I hit the record button. Okay. How did we get into this Solana trade? This Solana trade was given in advance in the Nexus, my VIP Discord. And not only was it given in advance, but I don't just give levels. I give real-time updates. Okay. I said, you know, we have the divs. Then I said divs are gay, which they are. You know, stops are here. They're not safe, but I'm starting to scale in. Here, I'm in and scaling in. The target was up to this line, which is exactly where we are now. So obviously, you know, target neutralized. Nexus wins again. GG. Bang. We smashed it home. Here we are, okay? So how do we get into this trade? How did I know that, you know, this was a high probability setup and this, that, and the other? Well, it all starts with liquidity, guys. It all starts with liquidity. Nothing is ever not going to be around liquidity. Your targets are never going to be fibs. They're never going to be negative fibs. I don't trade that way. The market moves because of money. And so because of money is where the market will, like, it's going to tackle your money, okay? What do you see on Solana right off the jump? Let's go, like, reverse engineer, okay? Let's get rid of everything. Let's start over. What do you see? Let's just say yesterday you woke up and price was right here. Oh, price was right here. What do you see? The first thing that I see is equal highs. This equal highs, they teach you, okay? They teach you, by the way, everything that retail has taught you, everything that you learn is wrong. Literally is the exact opposite, okay? When they teach you trend lines and they teach you fibs, fibs work, but they work because of order blocks. It's all smart money. You're taught the exact wrong thing. When you see equal highs, they think this is a double top and this is reason to go down. This is double the reason to go up. It's literally double the reason. It's liquidity. You see equal highs, we're targeting the equal highs. Nothing else matters except for liquidity. Liquidity is the only thing that moves the market, period. It's not trend lines. It's not Mickey Mouse triangles. It's not breakouts. It's not, you know, this is a bear flag. And then you grab the length of this line and then you move it here. That's stupid shit. That's little boy shit. We're not doing that. Money is where we're targeting always. You have equal highs. You have double the reason to go higher. Great. Why did price move from here? Let's just build some context. We've been in a very aggressive downtrend. We're overextended to the downside. And it's not because of divergences. Yeah, Mickey Mouse. Shouts out to Mickey Mouse. He just left this comment. Hold on. I got to put this on the screen. That shit was funny as hell. That's actually really funny, bro. Shouts out to Mickey. Bro, I gotta visit your amusement park, man. Can you please hook me up with some tickets? Okay, so we're overextended to the downside. I don't need any indicator to tell me that. You have all of this liquidity, all this that you can come for. It's all liquidity. All liquidity, okay? What do you have on the lows? We're overextended. We know that. The market cannot just go down, just like it cannot just go up, okay? So, what do we have? We have equal highs. When we came down to this low point in the range, okay? Solana, I'm not going to get so in detail with it, but Solana, just like the rest of the market, hit a very important key level. If I stroll through my my watch list, okay? Ethereum very briefly broke my key level. My key level was like here. It very swiftly SFP'd it, no problem, okay? Cardano hit a key level. Sui hit a key level. Look, by the way, look, let me show you. When I'm conducting my analysis for the Nexus every morning, this was a position. I didn't take it. It happened quick, and there's a lot of things, and I don't trade everything that I have, obviously. But this was a position. If you took this trade, the Nexus had this level. They know they have all the levels. I give them the folders. This right here, if you're in this, they were not even in drawdown for 1 second. This was not changed after the fact, by the way. Okay? Solana hit a key level. Oh, there we go. Oh, no, this is the one that I drew. But Solana hit a key level. Okay? XRP, actually, XRP didn't hit anything. I didn't like it. Dogecoin. Hold on. Let me show you. I'm going to show you. I'm not playing. Look, this is my high time frame. Where is it? Where's my analysis on Dogecoin right now? Why is it not showing up now? Okay, I guess did I hide it or I removed it? Okay, anyways, we had a big box here. Look, this is my favorite play with a leaf because the Nexus and tree emoji, hello. This was the best long. It hit the exact low of the box. The box was like this. I'm not even joking. It was like this. And it wicked it out ever so slightly. It was like that. So Dogecoin hit a very significant level. The entire market moves in tandem. We hit significant levels across the board. Across the board, we hit significant levels. There's undeniable. Look, Link. Why? How did I have this before? Link hit the level. Right? Jasmine just wicked it out. No problem. We're not trading the exact stop losses. We don't do that. So let's come back to Solana. The whole market hit lows that are important lows. The whole market is overextended. We left liquidity on the way to the upside the entire way down. So I'm already like, man, you're at a low of the range, okay? We're not prioritizing shorts. You have a macro range, macro manipulation, potential macro expansion to the upside. Fine. You have a potential PO3. Who cares, right? We're doing local shit. But you need to build the context. You need to understand what happened. How did we get here? It matters how we get here. Okay. Now let's talk locally. Why did I even go on that huge tangent? Normally, when you're trading a range, when I'm trading a range, I would pull my range like this. My range low is here. My range high is here. And I'm trading the range, right? When you're in the premium section of the range, you should be focusing on shorts. When you're in the discount section of the range, you should be focusing on longs. Fine. So why was I focusing on longs, even though we didn't necessarily come and take the low? Or we did briefly. We were like basically at the center of the range, right? We did briefly come into discount, but why was I still focusing on longs? If I just told you that in premium, we should be focusing on shorts, and in discount, you should be focusing on longs. Why? And the answer is very simple. Because we hit a key zone. We don't need to come back here right now. We could come back later, but we have so much reason to go to the upside. I mentioned at the beginning of the stream, I don't like shorts across the board. I was telling the Nexus this whole week. I was telling the Nexus the entire week. I don't like shorts until these highs go. What the hell is this? What is this? When are you gonna ever? What do we just say? This leaves double the reason to come up here. And in Ethereum's case, 1, 2, 3, 4 reasons to come up here. This is not bearish. This is so bullish when you see this. This is not 4 equal highs. This is 4 freaking reasons to get the hell up there. Good morning, Alexandra G. Shouts out to Alexandra G. I'm like, this looks incomplete to me. Why would you short that? I'm not shorting that. After you have a huge move to the downside, I even told the Nexus yesterday. I even told him, I'm like, listen, if I miss a giga dump, I don't even care. You don't need to be in every trade. Don't get that out of your head. You don't need to be in every trade. No, you don't. Okay, we take the smart trades. So Solana had these highs, these equal highs, and Ethereum had its 4 equal highs. I'm not shorting that. Are you crazy? After getting this big of a move to the downside, and you have all this liquidity you could easily squeeze up to. So these are the instances in where you may start to like, okay, you have to build context. You know, the whole market is context. It's subjective, but you need to build context. It makes so much more sense to be focusing on longs, even if you got a dump, right? I don't care to short this. I care more to focus on longs. I've been telling the Nexus this whole week that this week, even earlier on Twitter, I'm going to find it. I don't think I'm not going to find it. Look, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. Look at this. Look at what I posted on Twitter. I'm going to show you. Look. Twitter. March 9th. What day is today? Today's the 14th. March 9th. What's today? Today's Friday. 13 was Thursday. 12 was Wednesday. 11, 10, 9th. March 9th. Sunday. Sunday, March 9th. What did I say? I streamed for 8 hours today. Crazy. Or Monday. Whatever day. Hopefully one more scam dump during London. Then proceed to up only for the rest of the week. Why am I saying up only for the rest of the week? What was the liquidity? Where's the liquidity? Now, don't get me wrong. We ended up ranging for the whole week and it was horrible. But the point is, how do I come up with that conclusion? It's all context. You have to be able to build the context. You have to. So, equal highs. Then what? So I'm going to adjust my range. Okay, I'm going to adjust it. Because I'm not going to consider it from here. I'm not going to consider it from here to here. Because I already know that this lower part hit an important zone. Bitcoin swept an important low as well. You have to build context. And you confirmed your flip here. You confirmed your flip. Earlier on this stream, we were talking about how Bitcoin swept the macro low. This low is a macro low. It was look, man, I've been saying max pain is sideways. Max pain is sideways, period. It's not up. It's not down. Max pain is sideways. It's definitely not up. Sideways is max pain. We swept the low and you confirmed the low using market structure. Wonderful, beautiful, delightful, amazing. So what does that mean? What did I just say on the stream? If you break this high on Bitcoin, oh my days. If you break this high on Bitcoin, then you're very likely, very, very likely, I'm very confident in this, going to come up to 95K. I'm very confident on it. Very, very confident on it. If we start breaking yesterday's high, this wick, you start coming up towards 88K. This is the ideal scenario right now on Bitcoin. Come up. Maybe you come back down, sweep the low, and then you come up again. If you start breaking this high, there's a very high probability that you're going to come to 95K. You're just in a range. You have liquidity. So you're building context. The whole market moves together. Are you listening? What do we get down here? Because of all these things, I know we don't need to come back here. We had the flip on Solana the same way that we had the flip on Bitcoin. Okay, so this is your range-based demand. We already know we don't need to come lower. You mitigated the demand. Great. Now we don't need to come back to this low. You don't need to. For what? What's down here? You could bounce around and look for order blocks. Yeah, this is an order block. Could we come down? Absolutely we can, but you don't need to. You don't need to. This is what I'm saying. Excuse me. I do not let indicators... Listen. Indicator... I don't mean this in an arrogant way. Indicators don't tell me what to do. I tell indicators what to do. And what I mean by that is I don't actually tell them what to do. They're going to do what they're going to do. But indicators don't tell me what to do. I build my context without it. It does not, you don't need to come back to here. It doesn't make sense to. Can they? Yes. But am I going to be mad if they don't? No. That's why I've elevated so much as a trader in even the last 6 months. I wasn't thinking like this before. This has come with practice, doing this every day. Indicators don't tell me what to do. So, okay. That doesn't need, I don't need to come down to that low. So how am I going to adjust my range? Because I know that we don't need to come back to that low. And I know that I have somewhat on another time frame in another way, I have another range like this. So what do? When I'm adjusting my range, I don't need to come back here. I'm aware of it. I'm aware of it. I'm aware of it. But we don't need to. So I can move my range like this. Now I'm in discount section of my range. This is premium. This is discount. I told the Nexus all week, I'm looking for every reason to long. I don't care if I miss the shorts. I've been telling them this. This is not news to the Nexus. The Nexus knew. Nexus knew. Okay, great. I know I'm getting passionate about this, but you got to understand, the market is hard. The market is hard. We're not pumping because of a full moon, with all respect, bro. We're not pumping. The moons, that's Mickey Mouse shit. We're pumping because there's liquidity above, period. Now, where can you trade in the range if you're not going to take the range high and range low? Because they're not going to always take the range high and range low. You're allowed to long if you are in the discount section of the range and you have a reason to long. What are your 2 reasons that long? Well, why does the price move? The price moves to generate liquidity, to attack liquidity, and to rebalance an imbalance, right? That, my friends, is called liquidity. This is the only reason the market moves. Liquidity. Those 3 reasons. So, where are we looking at? What was my position that I gave on the Nexus? What do we have? Oh, okay. Damn, we're pumping. What was the position? We actually had an order block below that liquidity. Let's go find it. Let's go find it. Let's find the order block. Where's the order block? What order block? What flavor order block was it? 15, 30? 15, 30? 30-minute order block right here. Right here. 30-minute block. Okay. It's about money flow. Absolutely. It's about money flow. The market moves. It's all money. It's a business. It's not anything else. It's not shapes. It's not flags. It's not, no, it's none of that. It's liquidity, period. So yes, it's about money. 30-minute block. By the way, guys, do me a favor. How many people we got? We got 168 people. Okay, 145 likes. We need more people in here, man. I don't know. Nobody tells you this. This is the shit that they don't teach you. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry. Why is it an order block? You have low, you have high, you have higher low, you have higher high. Bam, break a structure. That's an order block. Where's that order block? It's a valid order block under this wick, right? Under this low, which generated liquidity. Why does the market move? Generate liquidity, attack liquidity, rebalance and imbalance. This order block, number 1, is an imbalance. Number 2, we have generated liquidity based on this move. You know what this is called? This is called inducement. These wicks induce traders into believing that we were going to go higher, so they put their stop losses here. Why? Why does the market maker need your stop losses to go here? Because the market makers need to get into their longs. How are they going to fill big longs? How are they going to fill big longs? The only way that they can long is if you short. So how do they induce you to short? They get you to think that this is going to be the move. You put your stop loss here. So when you're long, this ends up being a market short. When you market short out of your position because you got stopped out, this was the market makers as limit long against your market short. This is how the market moves. Period. Period. Not because of divergences, not because of flags and bull flags and triangles and all that shit. None of that. This is why it moves. The market is a business. No Mickey Mouse shit. They get you to put your stop losses here so that they can fill their limit longs here. Because in order for somebody to buy, somebody has to sell. In order for the market makers to buy here, you need to sell. So when you long here, your stop loss is a market short. So they limit long against your market short. Am I making sense? Chat, I need you to tell me right now. I need you to tell me right now. I need you to tell me right now if this is making sense. I'm very passionate about it. But this needs to make sense. If you don't understand this, you're not going to win. You're not going to be consistent. All right, let's move on. Everybody, I need everybody to hit the like button right now. I need literally every single person to hit the like button. Share it out, man. Share the stream out. We have 167 people in here. This is like worthy of 10,000 people being in here. I'm sorry to tell you. Indicators don't tell me what to do. Indicators do not tell me what to do. Okay, let's carry on. So we built our context. You have the equal highs. You have the equal highs. I was telling the Nexus knew this, the whole thing. The whole market was doing the same thing. The Nexus knew all week we were looking for longs, period. No shorts. They induced you into thinking, whatever. So you marketed short here. The people that longed here, their stop loss was here. Hooked. See you later. Now let's talk about the entry because we knew. Look, we knew. The Nexus knew. The Nexus knew. Solana, look. Wait, where is it? Here. Right here. Solana and Sui finally hit our zone. Watching for MSFs here. How do you confirm an SFP? Yes, I do give calls. The whole Discord is calls. That's the whole Discord is calls. The whole network, rather. Not Discord. Mickey Mouse shit. We have a network. And it's not just me giving the calls. I'm teaching every single person in the Nexus. I'm teaching every single one of you to do what I do. And they can attest to it. Nexus people, if you're in here, let me see the tree emojis. I'm teaching them this on a daily basis. We do it every day. Every single day we're doing this. So, what do we have going on? How do we enter this trade? To confirm an SFP, you need a market structure flip. Period. Period. The Nexus is $100 a month. You need one trade. One beautiful 10 risk to reward trade. No, it's not free. Nothing is free in this world. One trade. They knew it. I told them I was in. How do you confirm an SFP? You need a market structure flip. Period. Period. Not divergences. You need a market structure flip. Why do you need a market structure flip? 2 reasons. Number 1, it gives you a very clear invalidation. Very clear invalidation. If you get a market structure flip under an SFP, your stop should be safe below the low. Period. Second reason why you need a market structure flip. It shows you true momentum. Listen to me. You can keep diverging as many times as you want. We already know that. You can diverge unlimited times if you want to. You need a market structure flip. That's the only way that you're going to confirm it. So, as a result, I told the Nexus yesterday, look, I showed them the divergences. I teach them ranges, by the way. You had a Model 1 accumulation coming into this zone. Smart money ranges. Smart money ranges. Model 1 accumulation, and you had the divs. I gave it to them, right? I gave it to them. Then I said, the Solana stops below the low are not safe. Waiting for the yellow to break is better. Why did I say that? Because if you continue, because this thing could have diverged 1 billion times. 1 billion if it wanted to. Right? Everybody else is saying, oh my God, the RSIs are oversold. Man, they've been saying that for 3 months now. For 3 months, people have been like, there's so much liquidity at 102K on Bitcoin. You guys know what happens next. And they've been getting rinsed time and time and time and time and time and time and time again. Why are they getting rinsed? They don't, man, indicators don't tell me what to do. This thing could have diverged another 100 times if it wanted to do it. 100 times it could have diverged if it wanted to. So I told the Nexus, listen, right now, your stop loss is not safe. Your stop loss is not safe. Nope, it's not safe under that low because it can diverge 1 million times. Now, I'm currently developing, I thought about it today, I'm going to develop a way where I can have an objective way to actually respect the divergences. So perhaps we can get in from here without waiting for that market structure break, right? Without waiting for that MSF, that market structure flip. I'm working on that now. And the reason I'm working on that, and I just thought of it today, like during the Nexus stream, I was thinking about it. The reason I'm doing that is because The divergences alone, you guys know, I've been bitching about these divs. This cycle is mad different. This shit doesn't work the way that it used to. Sorry to tell you. Doesn't work the way that it used to. You're better off using basic strategy, which is why I, for the most part, don't have market cipher up anymore. Because indicators don't tell me what to do. I tell them what to do. But I'm working on a way where I can have a very objective way. That's the thing, right? It's all about consistency. I'm not here to take gambles. I'm not here to just, oh, we have a div, I'm going to take... No. I need very systematic, very objective rules that I must follow, and I'm working on developing a way that I can utilize these divs on market cipher, because we all know that the divs don't fucking div. We all know that. So, I told the Nexus, we have to wait for, or look, I told them, look, stop below the lows, not safe for that reason. Waiting for the yellow to break is better. Right? Listen, I don't just post the levels. I don't post the levels and fuck off and say, come back in 2 weeks and say, oh yeah, that level that I posted 10 days ago, we hit it and I'm in. I don't do that. I'm with you guys every step of the way. I'm here to teach you. I'm here to show you. Once we broke that high, I told them, I'm in and I'm scaling in. Technically, when the MSF confirms, the order block will hold. You're trading the range. When you hit the level and you get a break, this is confirming that this order block is going to hold. The safest place to put the stop loss is below the order block. But if you want a higher risk reward, right there. I am updating you every step of the way. I teach you. I have the course. I teach you the course. We do the live streams every day. We do, like, you guys ask me questions all the time. I'm very engaging in here. And then I show you. I'm showing you. This is what they don't show you. They don't show you this. Look at Sui. Damn. Look at Sui, man. Sui was the same. Look, what did I say? I said it here. I said Sol and Sui. Sol and Sui are in the zones. Sol and Sui. What's Sui doing? Are you joking me? Look, we don't take these positions if you don't get confirmation. Why are we coming to the high? Liquidity, baby. Liquidity. Look at that long. If you were in that long, that's performing better than Solana. GG, Nexus. Nexus wins again. Shout out to the Nexus. The Nexus knew. Sol and Sui. All right. So you take that trade on Solana. You take the trade on Solana. How can you get in? You can get in multiple times. You can get in many times. Many ways you can get in. Number one, you could just play it easy and say you're going to wait for the market structure break. You have one. Oh, whoops. My apologies. You have low, you have high, you have low, you have high, you have low, you have break, which is what I showed the Nexus here. Showed him. Nexus new, baby. Nexus new. Okay. You got a break. Entry. Stop is either here or here. Up to you. I can't tell you what to do there. That's up to you. If you want the better risk reward, no problem. Up to the high and beyond. I'm out 50%. 50% of my target, okay? So 5.7 unrealized, 3.3 realized. 9K total. $100 a month. Could have got you 9K in one trade. We do these trades all the time. All the time we get these trades. They're not always this great. I'm not gonna lie. But the work, the proof of work is here all the time. Okay. You could have done it like this. You could have done it like this. You put $1,000 on. There you go. 6K right there. And it's all relative. You put $100 on, $600 right there. High risk to reward. You could enter like that. You can also enter. Hold on. My thing is about to be copyright. Yep. There we go. It's on cue. You can also enter based on trading the range. What did we just say about ranges? How do you confirm an SFP? You need to get a market structure flip. So perhaps this is more aggressive, absolutely, and it's much easier in hindsight. I'm not saying that it's not, but perhaps you said, all right, well, we're SFPing. We're getting a Model 1 accumulation into this zone, which is nothing that I haven't taught in the Nexus. Included in your memberships, you get the course. You could say, yeah, this is your Model 1. You have your first, your second, your third top. Bang, long it. And you have the divs. Let's long it. You know where I got in from? I got in from here. My risk reward was 10. And I know that because I went in 1,000 soul, and I said, okay, my risk was $1,000. My risk was $1,000. So if I knew, because if I made it, I was like, I'm going to make 10K. This was the way that I entered. Exactly like this. What was my entry? 121.51, 121.51, 121.51, 121.51, 121.51, right here. And then it ended up being a 10 risk reward. This was my position. And then you can enter more on the break. I should have entered more on the break. I should have. I absolutely should have. You don't always need to be in a trade. Wait for the A+++ setups and then fucking hammer those home. Instead of risking 1% on a couple trades that you're a little iffy about, just hammer the good ones. Instead of risking 1% on 5 trades and getting stopped out 5 trades because you listen to divergences, you listen to people on Twitter that have no fucking idea what they're talking about. Oh my God, we're oversold on the daily. Shut up. You don't know. What are you talking about? The market moves because of money, not because of RSIs. It's a business. Are you playing like with your Mario flags and shit? Are you playing Mario? What are you talking about? This is why the market moves. I'd rather you risk 5% on this trade, even if you lose it, than risk 1% and get stopped out 5 times on using divergences and RSIs and stupid shit. Oh my God, the book, the heat map, the heat map and the book map or whatever. The money. Oh my God, there's so much liquidity up at 104K. We're going there. You guys know what happens next. You know all those stupid posts, stupid ass posts on Twitter. That's where. Guess where we're going next. We have so much liquidity here. Yeah, how's that been working out for you, bro? That was the Solana trade. UTP here. UTP on this low. Or on the high, sorry. Look, I'm out half. I'm out half and it's still running. And now I'm going to hold it until I have no reason to not hold it anymore. You know, until I'm ready to short, I'm going to hold it. Why? Because this. Look. Ooh, what? Ooh. Wait, let's zoom out even more. Look. Ooh. 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 Let's go to Bitcoin. Ready? Hold on. Ooh. Wait, hold on. Let's go to ADA. Oh. Should we do another one? Give me another coin. Someone give me another. Let's go to Sui. Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the motherfucking phone, baby. Should we run it back? Let's get another one. XRP. Oh my, look at XRP. Look. Ooh, papacito. What's up with it? What are we talking about? Are we talking about gay ass flags? Are we talking about gay ass flags in a game of money? You're talking about flags? Fucking triangles and shit. You know who's learning you know who draws triangles? My 3-year-old nephew draws triangles. What are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? Are we talking about money or are we talking about Mickey Mouse? And I'm going to show you guys. I swing shorted Sui. The Nexus swing shorted Sui right here. Now don't get it twisted. We took profit like here. But why did we swing short? Look, ready? Watch. The masses call it manipulation. Ready? Watch. Ooh. Is it manipulation? Or is it liquidity? Where's my mic? If I had a mic right now, I would drop the motherfucking mic on you guys. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Hit the notification bell. What else do you want me to tell you? When you can make sense of the market, you can make sense of the moves. Indicators don't tell me what to do. I tell them what to do. There's no such thing as manipulation. There's no such thing as triangles and fucking, you know, wedges and stupid shit. Stupid. Get that shit out of your brain. Stupid. Anybody that does this, garbage. Garbage. Fucking stupid. You're an idiot. Look. Hold on. Oh my God, the flag, and then you copy paste the flag. And then you put the target. First of all, how do you even know where to put it from? It's so subjective. That's number one. How do you even know where to do it from? Like, you don't even know where to do it from. Second of all, how is this a target? How is this a target? What are we talking about? 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 Like, are you drawing swastikas? What are we doing? What are we doing? Shouts out to Tori Trades. Listen, Tori. Let's chat. let's chat. Why is my Sui? Look at my Sui. Look at my Sui. We hit this long, right? Why is my... Look, this was a position. I told you guys, the Nexus knew. The Nexus knew. Why is my position all the way up? All the way up to here. Swing long. Why? Is it because... Hold on. This is the best. Watch what I'm about to do. Ready? Watch this. Watch this. Why is my target there? Is it because I drew some faggot ass flag and I'm copy pasting this? Whoops. I'm copy pasting this. Like, what are we talking about? Is that why? Dost thou comprehend? Dost thou comprehend? Guys, if you want to join the Nexus, the link for that is in the description down below. I teach you everything you need to know. I don't teach you Mickey Mouse Clubhouse bullshit, retail, garbage, nonsense that everybody else teaches you. We don't do that, man. I do not do that. That is embarrassing. Chat, does anybody have any questions? Dost thou comprehend? Dost thou comprehend? Smart money's the way. 95% of retail loses, yet retail is the one that's teaching you all these flags and Super Mario and all that. Shouts out to Big Tino. Yes, sir. I give credit where credit's due. Shouts out to White Phoenix, the best in the game. I give credit where credit's due. No cap. Yeah, so right now, I'll tell you the Nexus right now here. Let's talk about the Nexus. Let's talk about it. Let's head on over to the Nexus and let's see what we got going on over here. So, this is what we currently have out. I'm working on the course, guys, okay? I'm working on it. I upload it as soon as it's ready, okay? We got the intro. We got the risk management. Bam, 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 bam. We got the market structure. Bam, 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 bam. We got the smart money. Bam, 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 bam. And then now we got 5 modules or 5 lessons in the ranges. I'm working on the next 5 right now. As soon as we get off stream, I'm going to do it. If you want to join the Nexus, the link for that is in the description down below. I'm very confident that that you will find value here. Okay, let's look at Cardano, baby. Look at Cardano, baby. I should have hammered it. I should have hammered it. Let's go back and let's read some of these comments and then we shall say adieu. Okay, we shall say adieu. Let's read some of these comments because I saw some nice comments while I was going on my thing there. Dost thou comprehend? Dost thou comprehend? Geo teaches everything and more. Shouts out to Doppler. Yes, sir. Dost thou comprehend? What indicator am I using? The real market cipher one. I'm sponsored by them. The indicator is just a plus. That's something that I learned the hard way because last time I was trading with just the indicator basically. I didn't even know how to trade without it. Now, oh baby. Now I can trade without it if you know. All right, AG says, I'm part of the Nexus, and believe me, Geo is pretty much always in there. Every move, he's there to show you and make you understand why. Yes, sir. You got to understand why. Remember, my name is Geo, and every day I teach you guys why the market moves the way that it does. I don't tell you that we're oversold on the daily time. You can stay oversold on the daily time frame. Yo, look at the divergences we had on Market Cypher for a fucking year. For 2 years. For 2 years straight, Bitcoin went up only. Look, literally for 2 years. You can't say we're oversold. We are, when people zoom out and they're like, oh my God, we're so oversold. Are you stupid? We are so fucking overbought. It's not even funny. This is the most overbought shit I've ever seen in my entire life. Like, it's just perspectives. We had div after div after div after div. We went, excuse me, sorry. We went up only for 2 years straight. This wasn't even a retracement. This was just a consolidation. This is our first retracement in 2 years. So yeah, we don't do that. We don't do that. Let's carry on. Let's carry on the comments. Geo isn't kidding about being in the real-time updates all day long and a lot in the middle of the night. Yep, I update you guys at 4 a.m. as well. I don't play games, bro. Bro, I was long Bitcoin from 76K. We had a long on Bitcoin yesterday too, but I didn't take it. Unfortunately, I should have. But I was already in on Solana, Cardano, and Ethereum. So I have no way. I feel no ways about it. I'm not mad about it. I'm not upset about it. I'm not upset about it. Indicators don't tell me what to do. I tell them what to do. What do I think about shorting Bitcoin around 86K? I do think that there's a short around 86K. Absolutely, 100%, unequivocally, I do believe so. However, big however, if I pull up my TA here, let me show you my TA. I don't tell indicators don't tell me what to do. I tell them what to do. I believe, oh, this is about to turn into the green box of life. I believe that if we do come up to this area, which absolutely, like I said, this is absolutely 100% unequivocally a short zone once we take out these highs. Look at this. Money, shorts are acceptable at this point, 100%. I do think that if we do make it up here and we start hanging around here a little bit, let's say we do this and then you hang here, you're either going to go up from here, right? And then at that point, I'm pretty confident in 96K. Pretty confident in 96K. Okay? You might get a scalp here. You might get a scalp at 93. So it might do something like this. But I ultimately believe, I actually think it would be inducement. Dead ass. I think it would be like this. They'd do that. They'd induce you. They'd hang around and then do that. And then that would be a short. That would be a swing short, right? 96 is a swing short potentially. Or I think something like this, where like this range happens lower. It wouldn't be like I don't think it would be a very aggressive move like that. Like this range would happen like a little bit lower down here. I hope you guys get the idea. Like this would be down here. Like maybe like that. Oh. Maybe something like that. But this is exactly what I would imagine to happen. You heard it here first. Guys, any questions? Do we have any questions? Any last questions? Speak now or forever hold your peace. Because it's Friday, your boy's about to hit the gymnasium because I need to get absolutely irresistible for all women ever, regardless of their marital status. Listen, your boy's going to Miami in 2 weeks, and your boy's been grinding. Your boy was fat, and we're on the comeback, baby. We're on the comeback. Your boy was fat. Fucking play with me. Whoever's going to be in Miami in 2 weeks for Ultra, I will see you in Miami. Does anybody have any last questions? Speak now, forever hold your peace. I'm telling you, your boy's got to hit the gym. Your boy's got to hit the gym. Tory Trades, hit me up. Can play with me. If by the way, I have a free Discord. The link for that is in the description down below. Okay, link for that is in the description down below. Come and join. If I see anybody drawing triangles, I'm fucking banning you. Do that somewhere else. Okay, hold on. I'm seeing this last question. Okay, hold on. These are the questions that I'm gonna answer, and then you guys need to chill. Hold on. Let's answer the questions, okay? Let's answer these questions. Last two, and then we're gonna go. All right, what about the liquidity left in the last wave? Yeah, it looks like shit. I'm looking for shorts now. Now I'm looking for shorts, 100%. Okay, easy. And if you are gonna short it, you would target down to this low. Okay, 79.8 is gonna be the target. So look, I have a position here. It's right here. I told you guys I didn't like the one here. Remember the beginning of the stream? I told you guys I didn't like this one, and I built my context as to why I didn't like that one. Do you remember that time that I did that? So there's a short here, but I need to see confirmation. So and you would be, look, where's this targeting? You could target the low, but I don't like the low. I like this better. I like this low, but it might be a swing short. I don't know. I don't think it is. I don't think it's a swing short. Could be to here. That would be a better one. But now it's kind of looking gone. So now what I'm thinking is what I drew. Maybe we come up to 96 and then we hang here. Then we come back for the retracement. Then maybe on the pullback, then we'd sweep that low. Wouldn't that be interesting? Yes, it would be. Thank you for asking. Next. So if I didn't enter on the break, why did I enter Sol? Your entry was below the MSF. Here's why I entered Sol. Man, listen. I say this all the time. At some point, you got to just pull the trigger. Okay? I know that there's a high potential of this being a Model 1 accumulation, right? Because of what I've taught in the Nexus. That's a Model 1 accumulation. After I would never enter on the second tap. Never. Second tap, I need a market structure flip. But because we had the divs, like I showed the Nexus, and we hit the third tap, I was like, you know what? I'll start scaling in here. So I started scaling in. I didn't go my full position. I was ready to absorb the whole order block if I needed to. Started scaling in. Then when I saw pull away, I put in more. I put in more. And then my entry was wherever it was. That's why. Okay, my friends. That is it for me. No, I'm not live every day. I used to go live every day, but people came in and people were being mean. And when people do, when I do shit for free and people are entitled, my thought process is fuck everybody, fuck the world. If you want me, pay me. Join the Nexus. Simple as that. The Nexus gets me every day. The people that are entitled, that don't want to pay a penny, that think that everything needs to be handed to them and don't want to put the work in. Listen, it's not easy. You got to put the work in. But the people that came and slandered me, even though I was right, I was just right a year. It ended up being like 8 months later. And everybody that was super perma bullying, gig-alonging, ended up losing literally all of their money. Yeah, those guys. Ever since that, I don't go live every day. I'm not going to be on live every day. No way, no shot, no chance. Because truth is, man, full transparency, I got to be more exclusive. Like if you know, the value is here. And if you want me, sorry to say, it's a tough life. If you want me, pay me. Period. Nexus gets me 24/7. This live stream is worth 10 million. Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Appreciate you, brother. God bless. God bless. Listen, everybody. That sounded arrogant. Didn't mean to be, but you got to understand, man. I've come a long way. I've had a lot of slander, and I was wrong, man. I was wrong for a lot. Like, I'm not always right. There's no way I'm always right. That's impossible. Nobody's ever going to be always right. Anybody that tells you that is feeding you garbage. Anybody that tells you that they're always right is probably the same people that are drawing the flags and the Pokemon cards and whatever the fuck else that they draw, right? But, you know, for a good portion of this range, I was right until right here. I was right until here. Right here. So 3/4 of the range, I was right. I was wrong about this. And I got so much fucking flack for it. But hey, it is what it is, man. I learned. I studied this range extensively. And now I'll tell you this. I haven't missed. I've studied this range extensively because I was wrong. And being wrong is a beautiful thing because then you get to learn. Simple as that, right? I don't take my losses in vain. I learn. I'm too petty to take my losses in vain. I'm too good for that. Okay, my friends. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Nodi, I already answered that. 86 is a good short. But you got to watch it for confirmation. And at that point, I wouldn't take it as a swing short. It could be a swing short. It could result in a swing short. But long story short, no pun intended. It could end up being like this. Boom. And then down. And then maybe bounce here or bounce here. Or just reaccumulate here and then go higher. If we get up, I'll tell you this. If we get to 86, my overall target, I'm very, very convinced right now with the way the market is currently. Things can change. So do not marry this idea. Things change every single day. But I'm very confident, as so long as we continue to close above 84, I'm very confident we're going to rotate to 95. Very confident in that. So if we make it to 86, I'm not looking for swing. I'm not looking to come and take the low again. It could happen. Not looking for it. I would be looking for a higher low to make a higher high. I'm very confident in that. Currently, with the way things are developing, how could things change? Let's just say over the next 2 weeks, we come up like this. If that happens, then your opportunity for this becomes significantly greater. Okay? So don't marry the idea and then come back and say, oh, Geo, no. Things change literally every fucking second. But I'm very confident we will rotate to the range high. And it's as simple as this. We covered this on the stream. I'll cover it one more time. Simple as this. SFP to low, you flipped structure. I've been telling the Nexus for the last 2 weeks. We're focusing on longs. We're focusing on longs. We're at the low of the range. Max pain is sideways because we know how to build our narrative and we do not let indicators tell us what to do. My friends, have an amazing week. Have an amazing weekend. Trade safe. Be good. And if you're in the Nexus, I will see you in there. If you're not, and you like the content, shout out to Tommy. Bro, I hope you're doing well. Can you give us a quick update on your situation? God bless you, bro. I hope you're doing okay, man. I hope you're doing all right. If this is the same Tommy Luck that's in the Discord, because we had a little discrepancy before. Everything is all right. God bless you, man. Keep us updated, bro. Keep us updated. Keep us updated. All right, guys. Have a good weekend. If you want to join the Nexus for that, the link is in the description down below. I will see you guys later. Stay safe. Be good. Trade safe. Hit the gym. Post us pictures. Keep us updated. The Nexus is behind you, bro. You are loved. You are loved, brother. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.